That is the sound test on the Royal Kludge RK61 keyboard. So we are going to go ahead and start just testing out each of the keys. I'm going to go one by one, go over different modes. So the top row sounds like normal linear switches, as you would guess. Blue switches, by the way, in this keyboard. Very nice. Caps lock kind of has some, sounds like a little bit of rattle, but I don't think so. It sounds really nice. Kick a plane. Sounds very nice on all the letters. Anarchy sounds amazing. The left shift, sounds beautiful. All the letters sound amazing. Right shift sounds amazing. Spacebar sounds perfect. And now we're going to try to find the keycap remover. There it is. And I'll show you guys what blue switches I have on, or what switches are underneath. I'm going to pull off number 9. Linear blue switches, pull off 2 or 3. There's 3. So blues, they have that bump in it, and that's what sparks the LED. Love the bump. It feels amazing. Beautiful linears. Can't ask for anything better. Royal Kludge did an amazing job on this keyboard. Spent the perfect amount of money. I think it's for $43. Going for $43 or close to that, somewhere around that. I'll have the link in the description down below to get the RK61. It does have a USB Type-C, and I am playing Fortnite, but my capture card isn't working. And there are different modes, and to enable the modes, you're going to press function on the bottom right, and then the backslash right beneath the backspace. And that's going to give you this mode where it just sends out a line on every row that you press. The next one is going to be the Ripple, one of my favorites. Just the standalone blue. The Fade. The wave across, I like that one too. The vertical wave. The vertical wave, but I think it's just faster. This is like Twinkle. Here, I'll turn off the light real fast. There we go, so we can get a better visual. See, it kind of twinkles. This one is like a fade, but it's like a wave fade. Another personal favorite, it's like just random. See, it does this. And the wave, but it goes up from corner to corner, from down to bottom, top left or bottom left to top right. Another wave type. This one tracks your movement. So if I go like this, it'll track it, and then it'll just fade like that. Standalone, or no, this one, as you can see, the number or the letter kind of fades out. So that's pretty cool. But that's gonna wrap up this episode reviewing the RK61. Beautiful keyboard. Thank you so much. It'll be in the description below, and be sure to check me out on Twitch. I'll also have that linked most likely, and